Hello, my beautiful program mates. How are you? I'm here with another short video from the 7-minute data science. Let me just go ahead and put the temporizer or temporizador in Spanish. I don't know what to call it in English. 1 second. All right. Okay, we are on. Hello, my beautiful program mates. Hope you're having a beautiful night, a beautiful morning, a beautiful afternoon. All right, so why do I have the significant religious texts of major religions? And why is this related to programming? And why is this related to data science? All right, so here we can see the Tipitaka, the Bible, the Vedas and the Upanishads, the Quran and the Hadiths, etc., etc., etc. For most, is at least for the biggest. I'm not sure this is the best source, but I will try to get the best sources, at least for the major religions in the world. There's some other here. Okay, thank you for World Atlas for that information, by the way. Um, so I've been doing a little bit of playing around. I showed you last time what I was playing around with the Catholic Bible. I don't. It's just a full disclosure. It's just for investigation purposes, and I've been looking at the most common after doing some tokenization and some lemmatization and whatnot. So here we go. We go ahead and import the text of the. If you try to import the whole Bible, it'll just take too long. You need like I would assume a cloud, like the Google Collaborator or some sort of cloud, a Python environment, sort of similar to Jupyter Lab. So I went ahead, I found the chunks, I found the noun frequencies, and this is what I found plotted out. I think I showed you this last time. And this is what, I'm sorry for that. This is what I found on verbs plotted out. And I want to do it just to give it a little bit of these are the most common. These are the most common auxiliary. And I would assume. Let's go ahead and see what aux means in NLP. Auxiliary verb, I guess. Yeah, I would say so. It would be the auxiliary verb. And thinking back to NLP, which was another type of NLP, the whole reason of this is because on the Western side of things, we're mostly of the whole world, we're mostly impacted by Muslims, by Judaism, by Christianism in its forms. And on the Eastern side, it's a little bit more mixed up, and there's some other places in Africa and in Australia and whatnot, the Pacific, which are also other religions. I'll try to fit all of them in the whole 7-minute data science series. But the reason is this. I believe, I'll just go ahead and write it down. On, let's go ahead and use good old fashioned Vim Studio. Why not? VI Y. Okay, so let's go ahead and we are programmed through language. Most of such language is derived not only from school, region, country, etc. I don't want to be like too ethnic about the situation, but I want to take it down to something I studied way back in the day, which was a minor in religions and religion. 3, there is another type of NLP, or natural language processing, which is what we're seeing here on the programming side. There's neurolingual programming, and 4, if indeed we are programmed by such, like mentally and thoughtfully and valuably, like the values we have and whatnot, we should see, this is my hypothesis, we should see correlation between, I guess, religion and thought and actions. And I'll try to include other inputs, I guess. So that's it. Almost done with the 7 minutes. I will be going ahead and doing a live session, which will be, I'll write this one down, longer than 7 minutes. Longer than 7 minutes. Live one. Live coding. Live coding with the King James edition of the Bible, with its first book. I want to compare it to the Catholic version, or one of the Catholic versions, and they're both Genesis, but there are, I know, similarities and differences. So again, full disclosure, I don't want all the religious people to go all crazy on me, but it's just for research purposes and to code and to data side. Alright, program mates, have an awesome week, day, morning, etc., year, etc., decade. There it is. Bye bye.